Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I got an Amazon package today and I'm thinking that I will unbox it with you. I did open it a little bit, but I wanted to share with you some fun stuff that I got. So let's check it out. So I did get a package today. I know I said I promised myself I was going to try to really limit any new materials. I was going to really work on using all the materials that I have, but I couldn't help myself. So I thought I would do a little unboxing. I love new packages. So I got this set of 36 Arrtx water-based markers. Now, I know I just did the Sharpie markers. I really like those a lot. I really like them. And so I've seen these in action, but I really wanted to try them because they seemed really painterly. I couldn't commit to the set of 60, but I thought 36 saturated colors would give me some options. And plus, I just wanted to try those out and give you my honest opinion about them. And so I got that, but then I couldn't resist. I also got myself a new little sketchbook. I have an Art Creations one, but I also wanted to try out this one. This is the Creative Journal Delusions Ranger Journal, and I'm a sucker for anything that has a one of these flaps and all these goodies. Look at this. It's got this, comes with this thing, which I don't need, but it comes with a lovely little pocket, which I can stick if I'm going to do some collaging. I can have some collage material in there, I think. That's nice. The weight of the paper seems great. It looks creamy. Oh, this had a little smudge on it. And when I took it out of the box, I noticed that it did get a little banged up, but I'll probably do much worse as time goes on. So it's cardboard, and then there's this nice binding. So I think I've seen other people use it. It lies very flat. The paper is, let me just get this other. The paper is very heavyweight. It doesn't say the weight of it, but it's smooth and it's creamy. It's about as creamy as the Art Creations sketchbook. So it's not bright white. It's got a little bit of a creamy color to it. So I think I'm going to open these and maybe swatch them in. And I'll let you watch me do that. Let me just get everything set up. So it looks like we've got these little color-coded numbers. It doesn't tell you, it's just for reference. It doesn't tell you on tube what's what, but I'm guessing it's going to be in order that it came. So I'm thinking this is number 2. This one is color number 2. This one would be 3. 09. I'm not really sure how I would do this. I might have to go online and figure out if these are 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's not that important to me that I have these numbers on here, so I may take my time later on and figure that out. But for now, I just want to maybe get to swatching, and I think I might be a good opportunity to try. In the first couple of pages of this book, we'll use the new sketchbook. Well, I have gone ahead and swatched these in this sketchbook, and I like the, first I'll talk about the sketchbook because I like the weight of the paper, and it's creamy, but it's not too creamy, if you know what I mean. As far as the markers go, I'm pretty happy. I think when they dry, they have a little bit of a acrylic-y texture to them. They almost remind me of a gouache feeling. This matteness to them feels like gouache. There's a little bit of streakiness, but I just was gonna try to see if I could, how they work in terms of, you know, if you were gonna try to layer and blend. It looks like they're blendable too. So that's really probably important to some folks. So they do kind of mix well. These two mix together. And it looks like there's a little bit of that stuff that comes up off of it, but it's fine. I'm not sure what those little fibers are. I think it's from the paper, not the marker. I think it's the paper. I like them. They're good. And I think what I see here that I like is that I think I made that mistake. I did one twice. But you have a range of yellows. It's kind of like cools and warms, and you've got a whole range of blues. There's a lot in the pink family. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a number of greens, and a lot of blues, and a lot of these neutral colors. You've got like an umbery, burnt umber. We've got some grays, and we've got these muted blues. This kind of reminds me of like an ash blue gouache, and sienna colors that look really nice. So overall, this group of 36 is a pretty nice range of neutral colors and bright pops of color. So I think I like that. So I'm gonna try to put these to work, and maybe I'll show you in another video how they look. So I'm voting yes on this book. I can't wait to use it. Let's talk about the book for a minute. The sketchbook has 48 pages, so that's like 64 pages. That's pretty standard. Yeah, this is nice. It does lie flat. There's no buckling here. And I think it has a lot of the features that I would like anyway. I tend to like the square size, and it looks like it would be nice to be able to have both this pocket and the fact that it lies flat. It seems like a winner to me. And I think price-wise, I don't know how much I paid. I got it on Amazon, but it wasn't cheap, but I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. And I think it will be a good companion with that. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon.